Hello, welcome back to Next Stop Central Florida Homes. I'm David G with eXp Realty, and today I'm going to take you guys on a virtual walkthrough tour of 323 Orlando Drive. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,697 square foot Amarillo home floor plan here in the village of Caroline. Guys, this isn't your typical Amarillo. This is a one-of-a-kind custom Amarillo. Here you have a Florida room, you have a lanai, you have a bird cage, you have a golf cart garage, you have a bonus room, and then on top of it all, it's the icing on the cake. The end of it is the most beautiful, peaceful, tranquil view ever in the back. You don't want no rear neighbors, so let's roll that intro and do the walkthrough. Well, there you have it. See, it's the virtual tour of 323 Olanta Drive. Guys, you got to come check this out for yourself. This is a one-of-a-kind, customized. If you want to have one of the houses in the Villages, it's a one and done, this is the one to come see.